we get multiple options for locking our smartphone like PIN, face recognition, thumbprint, PIN, etc. But have you ever tried these options on your Windows or PC? What if I'll say you these options are also available on your Windows and PC? So in today's video, I will tell you how you can set a pattern lock on your Windows or on your system. So to know the whole process, watch this video till the end. So let's start the process. On any browser, search for Line Locker. Then select the very first option, which is Laser Shop. Then on this page, scroll down and click the Download Now button. It will redirect you to the Google Drive, so you can click the download button to download this file. Once download is finished, click on the file icon. As you can see, a zipped folder has appeared. Now, right-click on the folder and select Extract All button. Once done, you will get the setup file. Right-click on the file and select Run as Administrator. Now the application installer will open. Click on the Next button. Accept the agreement and click on the Next button again. Click on the Next button 2 more times until it finishes it. After the installation, click on the Finish button. Now, the application settings will open. From the background, image selection, you can change the background color, image positions, and many more things. You can also change the color of the lock background. After making the changes, don't forget to click on the Save button to confirm the changes. From general settings, you can hide pattern lines, set email alerts, and do many more things. And lastly, in the pattern and the password selection, you will set your lock pattern just like we do on our smartphones. You will need to draw your lock pattern 2 times to verify it. Also, fill the rescue password in case of you forget the PIN. Next, click on the Save button and you are done. So in this way, you can set a pattern lock on your Windows or on your PC and you can enjoy your pattern lock. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.